Classrooms are not just spaces, they are incubators of ideas and leadership. Faculty members bring a blend of industry insight and academic excellence. Concepts come alive through discussions, presentations, and case studies. Technology-enabled classrooms enhance the learning experience. Team activities and group projects foster collaboration and real-world problem-solving. Every lecture is a step toward building strategic thinking and business acumen. Here, tomorrow's leaders are being trained with purpose and precision.
We were searching for a college which is women-centric and had a balance of both infrastructure and academics. So it was a good deal, and here I am going to complete my MBA. I have a fabulous journey over here. I got cool friends and fantastic staffs. It was like a very smooth transition between the theory and the practical part. So we had gone for many industrial visits, and it was like a good journey.
The library stands as a cornerstone of academic life. It provides access to an extensive collection of books, journals, and digital resources. Students find a serene atmosphere ideal for research and reflection. It's a space that encourages intellectual curiosity and independent thought. In these quiet moments, knowledge becomes understanding.
My favorite memories over here is we have took a case studies where we have to solve the company's marketing strategy problems. So throughout the process, our faculty members were with us, and we are proud to say that strategy which we created were accepted by the companies. We are proud of this, and for this I am suggesting Vivekananda Institute of Information Management Studies for all the students to come here.
Placements here have been a vital part because women have been a great part of the society, and since this college aims at empowering women, placements brought in by this college have been really huge, and they are very prestigious in nature.
At Vivekananda College, culture is more than celebration. It's expression, identity, and unity. Our vibrant events showcase the spirit of tradition and innovation, where every performance echoes passion and pride. From dance and music to drama and art, students come together to create unforgettable moments. Here, culture inspires confidence, connection, and creativity, shaping tomorrow's leaders with today's values. Vivekananda College is committed to nurturing both the mind and body through a strong emphasis on sports and physical development. Our campus is equipped with well-maintained courts and expansive open grounds, offering students the ideal space to engage in a wide range of physical activities. Daily practice sessions, guided by trained professionals, help students sharpen their skills and build a spirit of discipline and dedication. Regular inter-college tournaments and campus-level competitions foster healthy rivalry, teamwork, and leadership. At Vivekananda College, safe and reliable transportation is an essential part of student life. With punctual schedules and experienced drivers, we ensure a smooth, comfortable journey every day. Our well-maintained fleet of buses connects the campus to key locations across the city and nearby towns. At Vivekananda College, our girls' hostel offers a safe, secure, and homely environment. With spacious rooms, 24/7 security, Wi-Fi, and well-maintained facilities, students enjoy both comfort and care. The on-campus canteen serves fresh, hygienic meals in a clean and friendly setting, making every day feel like home. Additional conveniences include an in-campus departmental store, well-equipped gym, dedicated laundry services, and ironing facilities. all designed to support a comfortable and self-sufficient student life. At Vivekananda College, we have a fully equipped multi-specialty hospital on campus to cater to student health needs. From regular checkups to emergency care, including 24/7 ambulance support.